Have you ever wondered how those giant steel ingots used in industry are made? This video takes a look at how Chinese factories show their magic. First, scrap steel is delivered to the charging bin and preheated. This step enhances smelting quality, improves energy efficiency, and ensures a more stable production process. With furnace temperatures soaring to 1,800 degrees Celsius, the molten steel boils violently, creating a thunderous spectacle that seems to shake the air itself. It takes less than an hour to completely melt down tons of scrap steel. Slag and impurities are removed through the slag outlet, bringing the smelting process to a close. This is the ladle we use to transport the molten steel. After sending it onto the refining furnace to strip out gases and non-metallic inclusions, we will pour the molten steel into the ladle. Next comes demolding, and by this point, the ingot is nearly complete. If you'd like to know more details, feel free to get in touch with us.